we're celebrating with Ann Burgess was not simply a flash in the pan or something that might have helped with promotion and tenure. This is something that is personal to Ann, and it's that connection with patients, families, and the people who care for them as they go through a difficult time. I met her when she was just completing her original research study of victims of sexual violence at Boston City Hospital, and I was a staff nurse in the pediatric emergency room. Ann is an extraordinary role model to nurses and to our profession because of her groundbreaking work in creating an area of scholarly inquiry and clinical practice related to survivors of sexual abuse. She also did interprofessional practice long before that word was coined and really role modeled for an entire generation of nurses how to practice differently and how to study clinical phenomena in a way that was meaningful to patients. She was also inspirational in the fact that if something was not going well with the Boston Police Department in those days, we went after that and looked at a way to improve things, to get to know the police detectives, to help them understand what their behavior sometimes meant in the life of a victim, and then the same thing with the court system. I think that Ann is so deserving of this award because of her sustained contribution over decades to the field. She's very humble. She does not look for credit about the change that she's helped foster, and she has continued to produce. A current project that she's very invested in is care and health promotion for wounded warriors, for example. So she doesn't stop. She didn't have one great accomplishment. She's had many over the course of a lifetime.
Congratulations from your 4 children and their spouses and your 11 grandchildren and your extended family. You are a legend indeed. We are so excited and we are so thrilled. We are so proud of you. Mom, you're extraordinary, and we love you very, very much. I guess something that she's done that has impacted my life is her inclusion of people. That's a life lesson. Everyone has value. Everyone's important. And I think that's had a big impact, that everyone is worthwhile. As a fellow in the American Academy of Nursing, it is spectacular to see her as a living legend. I know that face when I go off that escalator. There she is. I know that face. I know that person. It's wonderful. It's really wonderful.